Hi, my name is Heath Stripling and I specialize in technology solutions at RJ Young. One of the biggest issues with hybrid meetings is scheduling them and getting them started. With our meeting room solutions, you're able to simply schedule the meeting using a calendar that's shared through your organization. You can see if the room's available, book a meeting no matter where you're at. And when you book that meeting, it'll automatically show up for your time that you scheduled it on the scheduler outside the room and then also in the room. Once you get back to the office, or if you're at the office and it's time for your meeting, you simply walk in and hit start. And your meeting starts with everybody that you've invited to that meeting in that room. Everything comes up, the camera, the mics, everything just works by hitting one button. You're in your meeting. No need to fumble around to log in, anything like that. Your meeting's ready to go when you get there. If you're interested in learning more about any of these meeting room solutions, let your specialist at RJ Young know, and we'll be happy to help you out.